Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana reacted today to the support region that we talked about in the previous video. Obviously, we had this issue with the Solana blockchain that we talked about in the previous video today. There was a little bit of panic. I highlighted to you. It's probably not a big deal. Investors, traders weren't really worried, at least not the traders that really move the markets, because the market didn't really move today. Yep, we had a small red candle, but that's it. It's basically recovered already. So it's basically back at around about $97. You did not really notice it in the price. Solana didn't do anything unusual, nothing that would be, in any way, out of character of what it would normally do, or nothing unusual compared to other coins. So, as I said, it was just sort of something that people tweeted about, including myself, of course. But yeah, I didn't take it too seriously, as you probably saw on Twitter. It happened before, that blockchain outage happened before on the Solana blockchain. We are used to it, and I think many traders are used to it. I think they, as far as I know, they issued a fix. And there was an issue in the code as far as I am aware, and they provided that fix, that upgrade, sent it to the validators, and it was fixed. Okay, and the blockchain got rebooted, and it seems to work again. So basically, the worries are gone. Why did it happen? Stuff like that. I mean, leave that to other people, leave that to the influencers on YouTube to talk about what Solana does. Is Solana the best tech and whatever? And what are the competitors and whatever? And are there Solana killers? That's not really the topic of this channel. We're looking at the chart. And from a chart point of view, well, it was hardly affected. I mean, all it did really, it sent the price a little bit lower into our support area, and the price actually reacted to the support area. What I highlighted in the last video was that, look, imagine they fix it. We could see a green candle, and maybe that is the start of the third wave rally. Well, I will not rule that out, that maybe the wave 2 is already complete. But I would like to see a little bit more action. Yeah, so obviously the idea is we have a potential, pretty ugly, but potential 5-wave move up here into the January highs. Then we have an A wave down, high, well, not even a high B wave, a normal B wave. Possible C wave down, might be complete. Yeah, I can count 5 waves there in an ending diagonal in wave C. Could be complete, but we haven't even taken out really that last swing high here. I need to see next a break above the B wave high at $102.40, then a break above the $107 range, $107, $108, and then we could see a breakout from that neckline of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and it might send us higher then to next $125 and possibly even 140, all the way up to 190. Those are the 3 main targets that I'm watching, that I'm going to watch after the breakout. So if we get that breakout done, and it's an important level because it really is an inverse head and shoulders pattern, as well as a possible third wave to start in the Elliott wave cycle here. It could send us overall to 190 plus possibly, but the Elliott wave cycle also suggests that we could see some upside. Otherwise, I probably would not mention that inverse head and shoulders pattern. So we have additional confluence there, but all that doesn't matter. I mean, as long as we're holding support, everything's good. The main support level is $84. It's the 78.6 retracement level in our support zone. And as soon as that level breaks, something more bearish is going to be around the corner. And I'm going to watch for a reset of this larger degree wave 4, which presumably finished on the 23rd of January. It would literally just be reset a little lower. And then we might find support around $59 next. But that's not what I'm primarily watching for, not after we had 5 waves up. And the pullback looks corrective. We are holding above support. We have this potential descending wedge I talked about earlier today. And if this is a breakout, show it, by breaking above that $102, $103 level and then above 107. So the overall scenario hasn't changed. I think the takeaway is the wave 2 correction could have completed. However, it has not even reached the ideal target. The ideal target for wave C, as per previous updates, is $89.67. That's the 100% extension level of the A wave. Oftentimes the C wave and the A wave have the same length. That level is to be found at $89.67, but in theory the entire area is relevant, so it can always turn a little early, can always turn a little late. As long as it doesn't break and sustain below $84, I'm still going to watch for higher prices. So it's just a quick update about the Solana chart. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.